Hello. I just woke up from my nap, so sorry if I look like hell run through my face right now. But, I guess this is kind of like my follow-up video. And I didn't really have anything to talk about. So I decided to talk about cough drops that I have, which are the Ricola Natural Lemon Mint Herb Throat Drops. And I thought it was pretty cool because these are from Switzerland. Says so on the package. And, yeah. Well, I didn't really, okay, anyways. So these are good if you have a sore throat and a cough, obviously. But, the thing about these is they taste pretty good, kind of. But, I prefer, if you guys want to go out and try them, I prefer you guys to go out and try the Halls. And, I don't know what the name of it is called, because obviously the flavor for this one is lemon mint. But the Halls that I like, I don't know what flavor it is, but it is it has candy cane colors, so it's red and it's white. I can't remember if it's kind of like minty or if it's like sweet. But I'm gonna go find out and I will buy some. I'm gonna go out and buy some and I will find out and I will get back to you guys on that. It's probably gonna be tomorrow. So until then, I will see you guys tomorrow. Yellow tongue because I've been eating these all the way on the ride home. Anyways, so until then, I will see you guys probably tomorrow. Go ahead and leave your comments, questions, any type of video you guys want me to do below. And I will go ahead and answer that, answer some questions and videos, I don't know what you call them. Anyways, you go ahead and comment and everything below. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye!